when Chat GPT 4 was released about 6 months back, there was a lot of hue and cry about, hey, you know what, this is going to take our jobs, and then sort of it died out. But a couple of days back, ChatGPT had another big sort of update, which is the code interpreter. This is only available for the Plus users, which is the paid subscription of ChatGPT. But this is a game changer. For those of you who are data analysts or junior developers, either this is really going to enhance your skills, or I would say a lot of companies won't even need a lot of junior data scientists or data analysts. This is so amazing. Let's check it out and you decide and let me know if our company would really know or would really want somebody who's going to churn out some raw data and give them insights. Code interpreter in ChatGPT can be enabled by going into the settings, click on settings, and then you will see beta features. Over there, all you need to do is ensure code interpreter is enabled, and that's about it. Go to GPT-4 now, click on code interpreter, and instead, once you do that, you will see a plus sign in there. Now today we're going to use IPL match result data, which is in Kaggle. I will put the link for this in the video so you're able to see it. We've got two data sets now. We're going to try to join these data sets and see if GPT allows us to do that. So first things first, I'm going to upload the matches result data, and I want to ask GPT that, hey, I'm giving you this data, but I've got another data set that I want to join it. So would that be possible? And of course it says yes, upload the data, and I go ahead and upload. In this case, I just had zip file. I did not even extract it. I just put that in there, and it's able to get to the CSV, join the data. Now what it's trying to do is it's giving me, the columns in both the data sets. In the first IPL match results, it basically shows you all the column. In the second one, IPL ball by ball, it gives me all the column names, and then it gives you the combined data set. It also tells you how did it combine it with the key ID in there. And then of course, from there, I just want a quick and dirty some insights into the data. So I say list 10 points or insights from this data. It immediately starts working on it, and from here, let's see what insights it gives me. So very quickly I get 10 insights. Let's quickly look at them. Pretty relevant actually. Top 10 players with most player of the matches. The most common decision after winning the toss is to field. 14 matches went into super over. Most wickets by DJ Bravo. Most runs by Virat Kohli. Most runs scored by Mumbai Indians. That is pretty cool. Now very quickly, can you create 10 visuals to represent different insights from this data set? So it will give me the visuals. All I want to understand is how quickly can it give you an insight so that you get a good feel of your data. Within a second it gave me 10 visuals literally of whatever we had on top, the summary at the bottom, and this is pretty good. Now from here, what I can do is I can either create a PDF of this. It can generate a PDF. I can save this file. I can save them as individual JPEG files as well. You can do so much in here. Instead of that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy paste the insights and go to a PowerPoint AI tool, which is gamma.app. What I do is create a new presentation. I will choose text to transform in here, and what it does is I will copy paste all the text that I have, and it would start generating a presentation. I'll pick a theme, click on continue, and it will start generating a PowerPoint. Now you'll see how quickly this is able to generate a PowerPoint with the relevant images and all the data that you would put in there. I did not give any of these images. It is all through this AI. It's unbelievable. Look at that. That is Mumbai Indians. It says impact of winning the toss, and it shows two people giving a toss, and obviously that's Virat Kohli. He's the highest run scorer in IPL. Top wicket taker in IPL is Malinga, and you see his face over there. This is just knocking it down out of the park. And then the conclusions at the end. So everything is in there. Now let's look at the presentation on total. Insights from the IPL data analysis, number of matches played each year, number of wins by each team, the impact of winning the toss on the match result, who are the top scorers in IPL. Now you've seen this whole presentation. This was just breathtaking for me. This was just amazing. I can see so many use cases in here. One caution in here. The code interpreter essentially gives you insights, but the backend is just Python in this case. But what you could do is you could copy that code, and you could further put it in Chat GPT and say, hey, give me a similar code or convert this code into R or any other language. It will give you that. So it's just a matter of time. And this is not the only functionality of code interpreter. You can manipulate images with this. I will show you a way where you could generate videos using Mid-Journey images just by using code interpreter. So it is a game changer, and we will cover that in our next video. What I also want to do is every single time I want to upload a video, I want to give you one tool which is very useful, which is complementary to ChatGPT. So today what we discussed is we used code interpreter, and then we used an app which is called gamma.app. There is another one which is called Tome. These both are presentation tools, and we will cover them in detail as to what are some of the use cases that you could do. Storytelling, presentation, of course, one of the top ones. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video.